you guys. So what we'll be needing for our DIY today is gonna be a bodycon dress, a pack of pins, and scissors, ruler, and then a piece of chalk. And then your DIY is gonna be done in like 5 minutes or so. Yeah, so let's just get it over and done with. So what I'm doing right now is I'm outlining my t-shirt with my bodycon dress. Okay, you have to pick out a dress that you want, like that you like. I mean, that actually fits you so well. Okay, this dress actually fits me so well, that's why I picked it and that's why I'm using it. So yeah, and then the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm using my pins to, like, pin down those places, the outline places. So when I'm cutting the material, I won't have to the materials won't have to shift. I mean, so it's gonna be like not really straight. So I'm currently done outlining, so I'll just go ahead to like cut that right out. Yeah, just cut out the excess fabric. I'm not cutting it directly where the pins are. Okay, I'm not cutting directly where the safety pins are. I have to keep some space so that you get allowance now, you understand. Please give this video a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. So what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna use my ruler. Then I went ahead to like rule out the top. You don't want that upside where the round neck is and then that hand. So I'm just using my ruler to like outline the place. So I'm gonna have to like cut it out. This literally took me I'm not sure it was even up to 2 minutes. It wasn't up to 2 minutes. So what I'm just trying to like cut that out. So I'm gonna have so it's gonna be a bit smooth. So what I'm gonna be doing next is I'm gonna go onto my machine and then fold hem that side of the dress and both sides, and then I'll sew straight, right? So but before that, I'm just gonna go ahead to outline the hands. You get, the hand of the dress, the little piggy hand of the dress, the little indomie hand of the dress. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to like cut out. I use like 1 cm of it. Yeah, so that's just basically it. Please guys, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, please, please, please. So I went ahead to stretch my fabric. I actually did not want to sew this together, but I did after all. It's still okay if you use it like this if your fabric is that stretchy, you get, because this was actually a very perfect hand. I mean, I should have just used it like that, but I just wanted something more perfect, you get, something more perfect. So I'll go ahead to like join the hands. I'm gonna go to my machine right now and join it, and then I'm gonna go off cam to do that, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks like. I'm not sure you guys are ready, but I'll still show you guys. So yeah, our dress is ready, and this is what our dress looks like. This is basically just how it looks like, and I can't wait to try this on. Like, I really can't wait, for real. I'm not sure you guys can wait to. But let's go ahead to like try this on, show you guys how it looks like on me. Yay, yay, yay. This is how our gown looks like. It's super cute, it's super sexy, super comfortable. I can't wait to like throw a denim jacket on this. I mean, if you can go out with this like this, you can go ahead to like use a denim jacket or something. I mean, I used this dress to take a picture, and then my friends are like asking me, wow, your dress is really nice. I'm like, you guys should wait for my next video. This dress actually looks really amazing, and I'm glad you watched to this point. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.